Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Apple is a juicy fruit. A sweet thank you for teachers. Apron. A-P-R-O-N. Apron. Cloth you wear so paint doesn't get on you. Assembly. A-S-S-E-M-B-L-Y. Assembly. Assembly is a place where everyone together to sing or hear stories. Assignment. A-S-S-I-G-N-M-E-N-T. Assignment. Assignment is a tiny job your teacher gives you to do at home or at school. Attendance. A-T-T-E-N-D-A-N-C-E. Attendance. Attendance is when the teacher calls your name to check if you are here. Auditorium. A-U-D-I-T-O-R-I-U-M. Auditorium. Auditorium is a big room with stages for shows and singing. I am red, crunchy. What am I? You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is apple. Friends, remember we have studied it. Apple is red and crunch. Next we have multiple choice question. Which one does the teacher use to share news? A. Apron, B. Announcement, or C. Apple? And your 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct. The answer is B. Announcement.